In this topic, we are here about the taking factors determining choice of a channel and we can see physical distribution of the commodity कि सामान का physical distribution किस प्रकार से हम करते हैं. So there are some factors which is relate to the physical distribution of the commodity. First of all, we will find out about the product related factor. In this factor, we will see about the variety of the product, about the price of the product, about the availability of the product. If our product available easily, so our product will be sell in the market. Otherwise it will be very difficult to sell its product in the market. Number two, company related factor. In this factor, we will find out about the company's basic needs. The basic need of the company is finance. So in this factor we will see what type of a finance company has. If it has a large of amount to produce the goods or not. So we will find out about the finance factor in this method, in this topic. Number three is a competitive factor. In this factor we will find out about the competitive factors of a company, because in the market there are the many companies who are selling their goods. So first of all we will find out if there is any competitive company is selling their goods in the market or not. If there is already selling a company their goods in the market, so it will be very difficult for us. So first of all we will find out about the competitive factor and then market related factor. In market related factor we will find out what should be a market area to sell our goods. We will choose a small area or we should choose a big area. It depends on our customers. If we have a lot of customers, so then we should apply a large number of market. Otherwise we should use the small markets. Like this environmental factor, sometimes physical distribution will be affected by the environment. Sometimes rain, cold and summer can affect our distribution. So these are the factors which are distribution of a commodity. Now we are here about the components of a physical distribution. Physical distribution के component ले गए हैं. So there is number one, order processing. First of all we should take a order. After that our work will be start. Number two, transportation. When we will take a order, then there is a need to take that goods by the help of transportation. So we will use a transportation by which help we can easily get our goods. Number three, warehousing. When we will get our goods, then there is the need of warehouse where we can stock these goods. So time to time we can take the goods from the warehouse, but it will be costly for some time. Number four, inventory. Inventory is also stock. Inventory, when we have a lot of goods, then we spare some goods in our godowns where these goods will become in our needed time. When the customer will demand our goods, then we can take from the inventory goods. After that, economy, because this warehouse and inventory takes some cost, so that's why it will be costly and it will take some money, because we have spent some money. So in this economy we will find out about the money factors. Like this is our topic. Thank you.